Hello students, let's continue with practice set 6.1. The chapter going on is circle, and in the first lecture I have explained you all the basics of circle, the two important theorems on circle and two questions from practice set 6.1. So today I am taking question number 3. The radius of circle is 34 centimeters and the diameter of the chord from the center and the distance of the chord from the center is 30 centimeters. Find the length of the chord. So first of all, the diagram is not given, so I have to draw the diagram. The diagram goes this way. There is a circle, and in the circle the length of the radius of circle is given. The radius of circle is 34. Radius of circle is 34. So this is O, this is A, this is B, and the distance from center, is also given. Matlab, distance is always perpendicular. This is given as third type. This is given as third type. We are supposed to find length of chord AB. We are supposed to find length of chord AB. I will write the solution. Now in the solution, always remember that there are two theorems. The first theorem is the perpendicular from the center of the circle to the chord bisects the chord. अगर सेंटर से chord पे कोई perpendicular आता है तो वो chord के दो equal टुकड़े करता है. That means this segment and this segment will be equal. AM will be equal to MB. बराबर है. Now this is perpendicular. So I will write in triangle. MAO, measure angle AMO, AMO is equal to 90. Reason given. क्योंकि distance जो होता है ना सेंटर से chord तक का वो हमेशा perpendicular distance है. Therefore by कौन से चाचा? Pythagoras theorem. Which theorem? Pythagoras theorem. What is the theorem? Pythagoras theorem. Pythagoras theorem is hypotenuse square is equal to one side square plus other side square. Hypotenuse 90 के सामने वाला OA square is equal to one side square plus other side square. OA square is equal to AM square plus OM square. So OA is how much? OA is 34 square is equal to 30 square plus AM square. Take this side. 34 square minus 30 square is equal to AM square. Now, I can do 34 into 34, I'll get the answer. 30 into 30, I'll get the answer. Subtract and then I'll take the square root, I'll get the answer. This is the first method. One more easy method I will teach you. A square minus B square is A plus B. A minus B is equal to AM square. 34 plus 30 is 64. 34 minus 30 is 4 is equal to AM square. Taking square roots, AM is equal to 64 का square root 8, 4 का square root 2. So AM is equal to 16. AM is equal to 16. This is 16. If AM is 16, so total AB will be 32. Double na? बराबर ना? So I'll write AM is half of AB. Reason, a perpendicular from center of circle to the chord bisects the chord. That means 16 is half of AB. Therefore AB is equal to नीचे तो उधर कुछ 16 to the is 32 centimeters. Therefore the length of chord of the circle is 32 centimeters is the answer. Okay. The next question is similar to the first three questions. The radius of circle with center O is 41 units. The length of chord PQ is 80 units. Find the distance of chord from the center. Once again, same type of question. First of all, you need to draw the diagram. This is chord. This is the center, distance of chord from the center. This is the radius. So I'll write O is the center of the circle. The radius circle is 41. This is PQ. The length of chord PQ is 8i. We are supposed to find the distance of chord from the center. Means we are supposed to find the distance OM to find distance OM from the center. बराबर ना? So we are supposed to find the distance of chord from the center. Now my first step will be solution. My first step will be PM will be half of PQ. PM will be half of PQ. Why it will be half of PQ? Because the theorem says that a perpendicular from the center of the circle to the chord bisects the chord. बराबर ना? अगर यहां से 90 डिग्री chord पे आएगा तो वो chord के दो टुकड़े करेगा. That means I'll write the reason. A perpendicular from center of circle to the chord bisects the chord. That means PM will be half of 80. 2 1s are 2 40s are. That means PM is equal to 40. I have got this as 40. बराबर. अब पाइथागोरस थ्योरम कर सकते हैं. In triangle POM measure angle PMO is 90. Therefore by कौन से चाचा? पाइथागोरस चाचा. क्या बोलते हैं पाइथागोरस चाचा? पाइथागोरस चाचा says that hypotenuse square 90 के सामने वाला hypotenuse square is equal to one side square plus other side square. So this is 41 square PM square. Sorry, this is 40 square plus OM square. 41 square minus 40 square is equal to OM square. अभी मेथड सिखाया था ना, a square minus b square. अच्छा मेथड है वो. 41 plus 40, 41 minus 40 is equal to OM square. 81 into 1 is equal to OM square. Taking square roots, OM is equal to 81 का square root 9. OM is equal to 9. Therefore, the distance of chord from center is 9 units. Easy. The next question says that in the figure, center of two circles is O. Chord AB is the chord of the bigger circle and chord PQ is the chord of the smaller circle. Chord AB of bigger circle intersects the smaller circle in points P and Q to show that AP is equal to BQ. To show that AP is equal to BQ. Proof. When it comes to show that, there will be proof. Now we are supposed to first make a construct seg OM perpendicular to chord AB. क्या लिखेंगे? फटाफट लिखो. Write construction to show that के नीचे लिखो. Write construction construct seg OM perpendicular to chord AB. लिखा? आगे चलते हैं. First of all, in the smaller circle. Now look at the smaller circle. छोटा सर्कल देखो. छोटे सर्कल को देखेंगे ना तो you will understand that OM is perpendicular to chord PQ. Seg OM is perpendicular to chord PQ. और थ्योरम हमने देखा है, a perpendicular from the center of the circle to the chord bisects the chord. That means a perpendicular from center of circle to the chord bisects the chord. अरे बराबर है. That means OM अगर PQ पे गिरेगा तो PQ के दो टुकड़े कर देगा, इक्वल टुकड़े कर देगा. That means PM is equal to MQ is equal to X dash 1. फर्स्ट स्टेप समझा? फर्स्ट स्टेप समझ में आया क्या? अभी थोड़ा डिफिकल्ट सम चालू हो गया है. पहला स्टेप समझना पड़ेगा कि OM इस पे परपेंडिकुलर तो ये और ये इक्वल है, X बराबर है. आगे चलते हैं. इन द लार्जर सर्कल, या फॉर द लार्जर सर्कल सेग OM इज परपेंडिकुलर टू कॉर्ड AB। अगर छोटे सर्कल पे परपेंडिकुलर है तो लार्जर सर्कल पे भी परपेंडिकुलर है, इसका मतलब सेम थ्योरम, अ परपेंडिकुलर फ्रॉम सेंटर ऑफ सर्कल टू द कॉर्ड bisects the chord. That means AM is equal to MB. AM is equal to MB. Bisect करता है तो AM और MB भी equal हो जाएगा. Now if AM and MB is equal, AM is divided into two parts. AP, PM. So I'll write AM के बदले में I'll write AP plus PM is equal to. MB is also divided into two parts. MQ and DQ. That is MQ प्लस BQ। अरे बराबर है, क्लियर है। सो आई विल राइट, इधर रीजन लिखता हूँ, A डैश P डैश M एंड B डैश Q डैश M। ओके, क्योंकि ये एक ही लाइन में है तो ऐसा पार्ट्स में कर सकते हैं। सो AP प्लस, क्या मैं PM के जगह पे X लिख सकता हूँ, MQ की जगह पे X लिख सकता हूँ प्लस BQ। तो X दोनों साइड में X कट जाएगा तो बचेगा क्या, पेंसिल से इसको कट कर दो, दैट इज AP इज इक्वल टू BQ। शायद यही प्रूव करना है, इजी। परपेंडिकुलर सेंटर ऑफ सर्कल टू गॉट बाइसेक्टर छोटे सर्कल, परपेंडिकुलर फ्रॉम सेंटर ऑफ सर्कल टू गॉट लार्जर सर्कल है, दोनों के जगह पे x लिख के इसको डिवाइड करके x लिख के कट कर दिया तो यही बन जाएगा, इजी क्वेश्चन। ओके।